I thought I already substantially explained that. First is that I watched my dear friend, Governor Richard, saying that 5 million members have left. I didn't know he was such a wonderful statistician. Now, the entire membership of the party in Imo State, as far as I know, they are under 1 million, to put it generously. So where the people are coming from, if people have left us because we are not able to help him to create a political dynasty, then it would be nice for him to give further details about the origin, the location of those people who have left. You could see someone on the one hand wanting to run down his party, on the other hand claiming to be loyal to that party. But the truth is that Nigerians have become more and more sophisticated. At the heart of this challenge is the trauma of going through change. You know, if you know of any addict, like, let me say, people who are addicted to alcohol or to drugs, as an example, there is what you call withdrawal syndrome. When you diagnose it and you try to stop them from that way of life that they have been addicted to. Now, unfortunately, and I'm sure you media people will readily agree, most Nigerians have worried that how can we have a democracy in which only few kingpins dominate and that party membership doesn't carry any meaning. And it is so-called godfathers that anoint. You hear of anointment. You hear of godfather in position. Now, my task has been to consciously work to steer APC away from this very ruinous past which PDP created. You know, to open it up so that it can be membership driven. Now, those who have survived so far, courtesy of this kind of impunity, imposition, creating dynasty from their own privileged position, to accept the logic of participatory democracy, of bottom-up approach, because nothing explains the frustration of these few people, very few, than the fact that they cannot understand how in a primary, whether direct or indirect, that the vote of a governor is only one, and the vote of a sweeper of the governor's office or Alakara, who is a member of APC, is also one. They can't reconcile with them with this reality. So if you have 200 Alakara, 300 sweepers voting for a candidate, and you have one governor, 2 commissioners, 5 special advisors voting for another, the logic of our own preferred democracy is that this army of sweepers will defeat these powerful governors. Some are unable to accept this ultimate logic of people-driven, people-based democracy. And what I have simply refused to do is to insist that having cautiously choose change as our slogan, that change must begin with us. It must be reflected in what we do, how we do it, and we should learn, however frustrating, to reconcile ourselves with the reality that we are in a democracy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. So Simon is